So, today, let's have unboxing. Dumating na ang aking katas ng YouTube. Meron na naman tayong bagong gadgets. At syempre, ito, pang TikTok. So, ayan guys. Nabuksan ko na ang aking mystery box. At inside, gadgets. Ayan. Let's take a look. Ayan. So, open natin ang ating Android cellphone. Ay! So, yan guys. Yan po. Sipagan nyo lang po mag-YouTube para makabili ng panibagong gadgets. Pang what's. So, thank you guys. Thank you for your support and liking my video and watching my video. So, ayan. Ayan ang kanyang laman. So, meron siyang camera. Alisin natin ang kanyang suot. How di Carabao batutin. Uy, cute. Mura lang. Tama-tama lang sa sinahod ko sa YouTube. So, meron tayo ditong ZTE A73 Blade. Hindi ako bumili ng iPhone because I need Android. So, ayan siya. Ayan. Paano kaya ito? Open. Wala. Kailangan pa natin i-charge. So, how is it? Cute, di ba? It's cute. Wala. So, we need to charge. Hindi natin mamuksan. So, kailangan natin i-charge ang ating bagong phone. So, another unboxing. So, meron tayo ditong earphone. Para pag nag-TikTok. Maririnig na or some film na pinapanood. Black din ang kinuha ko. Buksan natin. Ayan guys, sipagan nyo lang po mag-upload ng video para makabili ng new gadgets. So, ayan na nga guys. Bumili ako ng another phone para meron tayong magamit. Extra rubber for charging, and yeah, oh, cute. Cute. Happy si Lola. Ayan, black is black. There, pag nakalagay sa tinga, hindi masyadong halata kasi pag white, meron na kasing white. Kaya black naman. So, hindi natin magamit kasi kailangan nating i-charge, no? So, I will show you again my new. Hindi naman siya latest, but at least may magagamit tayong Android phone. Kasi mas gusto ko ng iPhone. Bumili lang ako ng siyang yan and this. So, ayan guys. Atin munang i-charge para makita natin ang kanyang application. Kasi wala talaga. Very, 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 very bago. Oh, cute. Nice. See you later. Bye. Look guys, oh. While I'm charging. Oh, galing, oh. So, ayan guys. Meron din siya catalog. And meron din siyang warranty card. Ito maganda. Meron siyang glass protection. Ang galing. Libre. O, diba? O, maganda ang function. So, ito naman German product, Handshatic. So, kailangan din natin muna i-charge din.
Oh my God! Wow!
2,000 years later.
Look guys, beautiful color of bags. 29 euro. Ano kinuha mo?
Blouse.
Kasi mo yung bag, oh, 30 euro. May green. 30 euro. So, and we have here noodle.
God is waiting, thank you for this food.
So guys, it's it. Our favorite Asia food. So we have here hot chocolate. Guys, so now we start the day with our delicious lunch. I ordered mango lassi. We're now in kitchen. Delicious. So guys, yeah, just my kukurma soup. It's good for the health. Healthy soup. Very hot. So that's all for today. See you next week. Thank you for watching and supporting our channel. Hope you enjoy our vlog. So ayan guys, we are now at home refreshing the night. Ang init. So thank you and enjoy.
A few moments later.
Grabe ang lakas. lakas ng ulan. Oh my God. Oh my gosh. Wala, grabe. Ganda na ang bintana. Oh my God. May bagyo.